In this problem, our goal is to identify the level in a binary tree that has the maximum sum of node values. To achieve this, we will use a breadth-first search approach. This method will allow us to traverse the tree level by level, calculating the sum of the node values at each level. In the end, we will return the level with the highest sum. Breadth-first search is an efficient method for traversing a tree or graph level by level. It starts at the root and explores all the neighbors of the current node before moving on to the next level. BFS uses a queue to hold the nodes that need to be processed, ensuring that nodes are explored in the order they are discovered. This method is particularly useful for finding the shortest path in an unweighted graph and for fully exploring all nodes at each level. In a binary tree, each node is defined by a structure that contains an integer value and pointers to its left and right children. This structure allows us to represent the hierarchical relationships between the nodes, making it possible to traverse and process the tree in various ways, including BFS. The function maxLevelSum will take the root of the binary tree as a parameter and return an integer representing the level with the maximum sum. The function will employ a BFS traversal to ensure that we process each level in the correct order, calculating the sum of the node values at each level as we go. To implement this, we will declare a queue to handle the level-by-level traversal of the tree. We will start by adding the root of the tree to the queue. This ensures that the traversal begins at the top of the tree. Additionally, we will need several variables. Max, initialized to a very small number to hold the highest sum encountered so far, response to keep track of the level with the maximum sum, and I to represent the current level. As long as the queue isn't empty, we will increment the current level I to indicate the level we are currently processing. We will use a variable sum to calculate the sum of the node values at the current level. To calculate this sum, we will use a loop to extract each node from the queue, add its value to sum, and then add its children, if they exist, to the queue to be processed at the next level. This ensures that all nodes at the current level are processed before moving on to the next level. After processing all nodes at the current level, we will compare the sum with max. If the current sum is greater, we will update max and store the current level in response. This way, we keep track of the level with the highest sum encountered so far. After traversing all levels of the tree, the maxLevelSum function will return the level with the highest sum. This approach guarantees that we process all levels methodically and accurately identify the level with the highest sum. In conclusion, we have devised an efficient solution for finding the level with the maximum sum in a binary tree using BFS. This method ensures that all levels are processed in order and that the sum of node values is calculated correctly for each level. By using a queue to handle level-by-level traversal and computing the sum of nodes for each level, we ensure linear complexity, making the solution efficient and scalable for large trees. The systematic approach and the use of variables to track the maximum sum and the corresponding level ensure that the final result is accurate and complete. The BFS approach is particularly well suited for this problem because it allows us to process each level of the tree independently. This makes it easier to calculate the sum of the node values at each level and compare them to determine the maximum sum. Additionally, BFS ensures that we explore the tree in a systematic manner, which helps to avoid errors and ensures that all nodes are processed. And now, let's test this algorithm with some cases. You are encouraged to test out your own ideas and examples, as it can help you better understand this algorithm.